What up, everybody? I'm out here at Cottonwood Cove. I launched solo for the first time in my new boat. I'm here for Nevada Bass Team Trail. My partner Jaren had to work, unfortunately, but I'm taking my sweet time. Everybody's gone. We might get a little bit of rain today, supposedly. Looks like there's some down yonder. See if I can get 5. It's gonna be tough, but we're gonna try. Stay tuned. First one on. Tire this guy out. Close clip. We're in business with the good ones. About time. It's been a rough start. I know I had one bite just because my trailer was ripped off. Good one. Good one. Yes, guys. Wow. Absolutely swallowed it. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, I had to play this guy out. This fish is strong right now. Oh, if I hadn't lost that other one, I'd be looking pretty damn good right now. Man. I'm sure it's all fogged up. Probably didn't get to see much of this. It's been raining constant out here. I just had to fight a nice 3-pounder for about 2 minutes to get him in the boat. Not taking any chances. He had it swallowed though. 3 more and I'm in business. I'm getting my jig back. Good one. That is a very, very good one. Yes! Yes! We just got this toad right here. Oh my goodness. That is a big fish. I thought it was 5 pounds. Scale said less, but scale might be off. Good one. We got our 5th. This is going to be one we need to cull, but I'm just happy to get the limit here. I think it'll keep. He's strong for a little guy. Jeez. Definitely going to keep. He's going to be our first cull. No doubt about that. Good one. Yes. Let's go, baby. Another toad. We're culling. We're culling, baby. Let's see. Oh, he wouldn't have culled anyway. Lost one today. It's the only one I lost besides the one that broke me off. On my own stupidity, really. It's 3 o'clock. I'm second flight, so 3:15. Marina's just down yonder. I got a decent little limit. I mean, I'm happy with how I did by myself today. We'll see how the weights are. I'm sure someone might have something really good. Who knows, 18, 20? Possible. Excited to see. Stay tuned.
8.16. Boat number
16.
Boat number 16.
Got a big, small. I don't know how big he is.
Nice fish, dude.
Thank you, sir.
How many you got? 5?
I do.
5 total. Gonna weigh a big smallmouth. 4.91.
My scale sucks. It said 4.4.
What's that?
It said my scale sucks because it said less than that. Is that big smallie so far?
No, 5.
5 something?
505 is big
Figured
small.
somebody have a 5 pounder.
Right
today.
close, dude. Total weight, Jenna. Good bag, man. Nice bag. 17.51.
Better than I thought it was. Thanks.
Stop there, Kevin, and get some pictures, Spence.
Well, I'm proud of my performance. Solo mission, 17.51. I lost a fish that might have helped. Other than that, great day on the water. A little wet. Other than that, super fun, super challenging, netting my own fish. And yeah, we adapted, we overcame. Bye-bye, Mr. 4'9". You'll get bigger, girl.